Good morning, English learners of all levels. Today we are going to learn simple continuous tense. Tenses are very important part of English language. Okay, we always say one can pick up learning English just by listening, just by reading. It is true, guys. No doubt, it is absolutely true. But yes, people still have many doubts. Okay, in regards to tenses and grammar, and that's the reason we are learning here tenses. So today we have already done simple past tense, simple present tense. Okay, we have done number of sessions about these tenses. If you see my previous videos, you will get to see all the tenses. And please, guys, go to the playlist. Okay, in playlist it will show you the year 2023 to 2023. Okay, go to this specific playlist. Don't confuse yourself, and there you will see all the videos starting from day one and until now. Okay, so and it is easy for you to search now. I have created a separate playlist. It's easy because my students were facing problems. They were asking me questions that they are unable to find the specific video. So for that reason I have specified a playlist for 365 days 2023. Okay, so you will just see my these 60 videos, and I will keep adding more one after the other. Okay, until year 2023 ends. So let's begin with simple continuous tense. The formula is here right there in front of you. Subject plus is, am, are plus verbs first form plus ing plus the object. Let's start here the sentences. I am going to the nearby market. मैं पास के बाजार में जा रही हूँ. This is the यही पहचान है simple continuous tense की कि कोई भी काम जो continuous हो रहा है, चल रहा है, वहाँ पे हम लोग लगाते हैं रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. I am going to the nearby market. मैं बाजू के बाजार में जा रही हूँ. She is dancing today in the show. वो आज के शो में डांस कर रही है. ही इज ट्रैवलिंग टू दुबई टुडे. वह आज दुबई ट्रैवल करने वाला है या कर रहा है, एक्चुअली कर रहा है. ओके. नंबर 4, दे आर डिलीवरिंग माई ऑर्डर टुडे. आज वो मेरा ऑर्डर डिलीवर कर रहे हैं. नंबर 5, ही इज फीलिंग गिल्टी. उसे बुरा लग रहा है और किसी चीज के लिए. ओके, खराब लग रहा है. पॉइंट नंबर 6, शी इज चॉपिंग द वेजिटेबल्स. वो वेजिटेबल काट रही है. पॉइंट नंबर 7, ही इज ट्राइंग हार्ड टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. वो इंग्लिश बोलने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है. आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश. मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ या रहा हूँ. नंबर 9, ही इज सिटिंग इन द वेटिंग रूम. वो वेटिंग रूम में बैठा है. ही इज कलेक्टिंग ओल्ड कोइंस. वो ओल्ड कोइंस कलेक्ट कर रहा है. So guys, here this time I wrote just 10 sentences. Reason being is this is the easiest most tense. It's very easy to learn because these sentences we use in our daily life. You practice at your end. Okay, make the similar set of sentences, but make sure that you use your sentences, guys. Stick to your sentences, okay, that you use in your daily life. Do write whatever you do on daily basis. Do write how you talk to other people, how you discuss with other people. Okay, stick to your sentences, and that way you will retain this information for lifetime. So practice is the key. Never be hopeless, never be meaningless. Keep learning and keep reading. Okay, reading is something that will really give you good vocabulary, and you will never stuck speaking English. And when you are reading, make sure you are reading correctly. Correct reading is very important. You learn half the English just by reading it correctly. We think that we are reading correctly, guys, but we directly or indirectly make a lot of mistakes. I will recommend you to listen to your recording. You when you are reading, record your voice and then listen to it. Then you will realize how many mistakes you are making. Until you record it or until somebody else points out your mistake, you will not know that you are making mistakes, guys. Okay, and here I wrote just 10 sentences because the tense is very easy. And in the next video I will make negative sentences, and then affirmative, and then combination sentences of affirmative and negative together. Thank you very much. Do like my videos. Do share it with your loved ones whom you think they need to learn English, and keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.